Okay, so I bought some of these work light. They go on ATVs and off-road stuff from Amazon. And there was a 4-pack of these, and they're pretty good. They take about 5 watts each when I hooked them up to my power station, and you get 4 in a pack. And the best way to mount these under this trailer, one of them I just screwed up into the metal frame, and that worked good. But the other one in the back here, I basically took a piece of aluminum that's 2 3/4 inch long by I think 1 inch, and then I put the bolt through that, and then I'll show you how I put that up there. Now I did use number 6 because those are the only ones that would fit into that space right there to tighten down. So I got number 6 3/4 inch long, and then I got the also the stainless steel lock washer to go on there. And then what I did is I put it up here like this. You can kind of see, because I want it kind of on an angle. So you can see here's the bottom of the trailer. That way when it'll shine on the right and on the back at the same time, because they're angled, as you can see. So anyway, that's how I'm doing that. I'm putting 4 of these on. That bracket really helped. Just a quick way of doing it. But that allowed me to put it on 45 degree. So, all right. So this is what it looks like in complete darkness in my garage. So it's pretty bright. That way, whenever I open my door to get into the cargo trailer, I can see what's underneath it, which is what I want for when I'm out in the woods. So you can see how bright it is. I mean, it's not super bright, but it's perfect for, being out in the woods and being lit up at the campsite or something like that, so I can actually see